Hey YouTube, GarageBoys here, back at it again. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the alternator on a 2010 Scion TC. It's a very simple process. This is the alternator right here. And the first thing on removing an alternator on any car is disconnecting the battery. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the negative terminal. It's a size 10 for me. It may be an 8 for you or even a 12 or a 13. But just go ahead and remove your negative connection terminal. And then I'm going to show you what you have to do next to do the alternator. So here we go. Okay guys, so after disconnecting the battery, we're gonna come here and remove the belt, the serpentine belt, which is a very easy process. You're just gonna come here to the side, and if you see in there, right there, you see that nut right there? It's a size 3/4. So we're gonna go ahead and just place your socket in with your ratchet. I'm gonna see if I can do it one shot. And then once you sit it in there, just gonna pull towards you, and that's gonna release the tension on the belt. And then somebody else or you with your other hand, you will be able to remove the belt. Let me try and put this in here. I'm gonna probably do it off camera so I save you guys some time. But you're just gonna put your ratchet in there, in that socket right there, and that little nut, and then pull towards you. So let me just set it in there. Use both of my hands. I'll set it in there, and then I'm gonna show you what you have to do. Okay guys, so I put in the socket right there. As you can see, it's not a good space for recording, but you can manage with that. And then I just added a little extension. It's loose, but I just wanted the leverage. If you have a pipe or anything you can do just to extend that way, you don't have to do a lot of strength. That would be amazing. And now what you're gonna have to do is just pull towards you. And once you do that, the belt now is loose. It's hard to do it recording and doing it, but let me show. I have somebody else here that's gonna remove the belt as I do it. So go ahead and show the belt being loose. See how it's loose, and just gonna step it to the side while I'm holding it, and it's just gonna be a little working around it. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you the layout of everything, so you know how to put it back. But I'm just gonna leave it there, and that's it, guys. That's how you remove the belt for this Scion TC. Okay guys, now that we removed the belt, we're gonna go ahead and start unplugging stuff here from the alternator. So one of the first things you're gonna do is this right here, you can just press right here in the corner, press and pull back. As you can see, it works like this. If you can't press it, then you can just bring this back. See, like this, bring it back, and then you can press. Very simple. And then we're gonna remove this right here. It's a size 10. Don't lose that nut because you're gonna use it again. And then this screw right here is also size 10. So remove this, size 10, and remove that screw, size 10. Remember, make sure your battery is disconnected already. If it's not disconnected, once you try to remove this and you touch this metal, it's gonna make sparks and it's gonna mess up your alternator that you're replacing. So go ahead and remove that, and I'm gonna show you what you have to do next. All right guys, so I removed those, the screw and the nut. I put the nut back, but remember, you're gonna keep that because your new alternator is not gonna have it probably. I also remove a little clip right here. This one, it goes in there. I use a flathead, and I came here from the back, and I push in the little teeth, and then I ran it through the hole, and that's it. Now this is loose, and I'm just gonna put it here. For meanwhile, there's two screws that we're gonna approach. It's gonna be this one right here. It's a size 14. The other one, I can't really show it to you. You can put your hand. It's a good idea to use these kitchen gloves. They're long, they cover everything. Even like that, I get my hands dirty, but at least you can work comfortably, and they're sticky, so you can really grab your tools. But anyways, come in here, and back here you can feel the other screw. It's a size 14. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this one first, and then work on the other one. The other one I'll probably approach it from here. But it's a size 14. Again, there's only two. There's one there and one back there. So go ahead and remove that. I'm gonna show you if I see any other issues, but I'm gonna show you what to do next after this one. Okay guys, quick update. That bottom one is a size 12. I'm sorry, I know I said 14 a couple times. It's a size 12. It's a pain in the neck to get to. It's right there. You have to feel it. I had a hard time putting the socket. It's a long socket, not a small one. And then the ratchet, and I'm gonna kind of work on it right now. But I just wanted to show you the location of it. It's right there. So you're gonna come in through here or through here, I guess, now to take it off. and it's in there. See, right there. It's a size 12. Okay, so I removed the top one, super easy. Bottom one, pin in the neck. Really annoying. I got the ratchet in place. I'm gonna try and work on it right now. So let me remove that and I'll show you what you have to do next. Okay guys, so there you go. I removed it. Here it is. This is the little one in the bag. It's a size 12, which is this little sucker right here. There's a pin in the neck. But oh well, mission accomplished. Besides that, everything else was pretty easy. There you go guys, that's how you remove the alternator on a 2010 Scion TC. It's the same for an 05 all the way to 2010, maybe even the 03. You can check the alternator on Amazon. Check the link in the description below. And that's it guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this video helped. Please like and subscribe. Take care.